Today's guest is someone we all know, this one who manage our moods, guard our lives, and sometimes save our careers. The woman behind the hiring hustle, behind the IT Executive Pro, Avi Jain.
Hello, Manasvi.
Hi Avi, how are you?
I'm all fine.
Avi, what is your experience being in HR? And I guess ये सबसे simple दिखने वाला job सबसे ज़्यादा challenging कैसे है?
Okay, so everyone thought that HR का कुछ काम नहीं होता है. They basically don't do anything, and उसके बाद भी everyone get the salary, सबकी leaves approve हो जाती है, सारा काम smoothly चलता है, admin से related कोई problem नहीं आती है. तो फिर अगर HR कुछ नहीं कर रहा है तो smoothly how everything is going on, right? My first question is this again.
This is the secret.
So let's talk about that. Everyone thinks that HR is all about the nothing, just that we are just like a teacher. हम लोग फ्लोर पे घूम रहे हैं, हम लोग देख रहे हैं कौन क्या कर रहा है. No, this is not our exact job roles. हमारा job role, apart from the celebrating the birthdays and work anniversary, also exists. And like HR is basically a people process. It involves so much of human altogether. Alright, this is basically a human process only. And आप पूछोगे that starting from the interview of the any candidate, वो सिर्फ एक call पे start होता है, and after that वो candidate आता है, join करता है, and he or she works for 2 to 3 years. So this is completely a very big cycle that I think no one looks at. So yeah, HR is not an easy job role. जो ऊपर से दिखता है वैसा होता नहीं है.
Okay, so let's proceed to the next question. What is the secret code of we will get back to you?
So probably the cheat code behind that I'll call you back is this, that we will never get you back, and this is quite similar like ghosting your ex.
So it is like a sugar-coated version of hosting people in a professional way.
Yes, in a professional way and in a quite similar healthy way that you are already rejected over this call itself. So yeah.
Okay guys, so note it down. Our next question is, have you ever interviewed someone who interviewing you back?
Okay. So it is not like this that someone interviewed me back, but like as I can say that there was one candidate. Actually, I was taking his telephonic interview. So that candidate is a quite smart, quite intellectual, intelligent as well. So that conversation goes like, he cross-questioned me only that, ma'am, what about your hobbies? What you like the most, and how you get into the HR and this and that. So this is actually a sign of the very intelligent candidates only, because so many times it happened that there are so many candidates who are literally very intellectual. They do have a very big goals. That a vision is a quite broader. So it is not like they interviewed me back, but yeah, it is quite way similar. Like they showed interest in our conversation. That is not an interview. That is a two-way communication, and that was very healthy. So yeah.
Okay. Let's proceed to the next question. What is the most creative reason someone gave you for taking the leaves?
मेरे घर में रेट पड़ रही है मैम, मैं नहीं आ पाऊंगा ज्वाइनिंग के लिए.
Tax rate.
So I got this answer at the time of joining of this candidate. At the joining day only, I got this answer, and I was like, क्या बोलूँ मैं, क्या बोलूँ? You are not interested for this. आप मुझे पहले बताते. So I said कि okay, no issues. But this was the most creative answer that I have ever heard in my whole career. And keeping this apart, बहुत सारी वही जनरल लाइन्स, मैम दादी की डेथ हो गई है, पापा की तबीयत खराब हो गई है, भाई की टांग टूट गई है, बुआ के घर पे किसी की डेथ हो गई है. So कोई ना कोई की डेथ हो जाती है at the time of joining day only. So yeah,
I think we all did something like this. So let's proceed to the next question. Avi, do you ever stalk employees on Instagram before approving the links?
I did multiple times. I did in my whole career, but like that is in when you started working in HR ना ये चीज़ आपके अंदर आ जाती है, क्रॉस चेकिंग एवरीथिंग. ठीक है, एम्प्लॉय ने कोई भी चीज़ बोली हो, कुछ भी स्टेटमेंट ही और शी हैड गिवन टू मी, एंड एनी एम्प्लॉय नीड अ लॉन्ग लीव. सो दैट इज इनटू द नेचर ऑफ एन HR. क्रॉस चेकिंग वंस एक बार तो ना इंस्टाग्राम ओपन करके देख ही लेते हैं कि ये कैंडिडेट कहाँ है. आई गॉट सो मेनी कैंडिडेट्स, बट मैंने किसी एक एम्प्लॉय को लाइक आई confront him that you were in Pune and you said that you were sick. So I unapproved whole the leaves for the rest of the month. So yeah, this happened in HR.
Okay, so अगर दादी को बीमार करके अगर पहाड़ों पे जाना है तो keep your account private.
Yes. क्योंकि HR वो भी देगा.
Okay, so Abhi, next question is one of my favorite question. What is the one HR myth you would like to burst once and for all?
Okay, so that is HR is not here for the Rangoli. HR is not here only for your birthday celebration. HR is not here for your work anniversary celebration. There are so many things apart from this in an HR that HR do, and starting from the hiring, starting from your internal clashes with your managers or with X, Y, Z employees, maintaining your salaries, maintaining your sheets, maintaining your attendance, and etc. etc. There are so many things that HR do apart from the celebrations. And इसके अलावा पानी नहीं है HR, वाईफाई नहीं चल रहा है HR, टांग टूट गई है तो हॉस्पिटल के लिए अरेंजमेंट करो HR, लाइट नहीं आ रही है HR. So these are so many things that HR actually do.
Okay, Abhi, so let's talk about your experience. Like things evolve with the time. So what is the major changes you have seen these days, like the patterns, the mindset of the candidates, the culture?
When I started working as an HR, तो तब वाला जो टाइम था और अभी वाला जो टाइम है, there is a very huge difference into the behavior of the employees, into the behavior of the companies, market and their expectations. एक टाइम था जब सब लोगों को लगता था कि marksheets matter a lot, certifications matters a lot, ठीक है? But now in reality या फिर अभी we can say that right now it doesn't matter a lot. It matters but not a lot. Even I can say कि कुछ टाइम के बाद we can say that it doesn't matter at all. अगर कुछ मैटर करता है तो वो आपका स्किल सेट है, वो आपका कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स है, हाउ गुड यू आर इन पर्सन, इन योर इंटरपर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, and as well as in your technical skills also. So at the end of the day, it completely skill oriented. Like your job is not just about the grades you have got, the certifications you have got, the medals you have got. It is completely all about the skill set that you are offering to any company to increase their business. Okay, at the end of the day, जो भी employees हमारे लिए काम कर रहे हैं वो हमारे business grow करने के लिए कर रहे हैं. So yeah, this is the one, the major changes that I have seen. And apart from that, now companies is a quite more onto the chill environment. अभी कोई भी companies ऐसा नहीं है, they don't want कि एकदम strict 9 to 6 वाला shift हो, we are coming like zombies and working and punch in and punch out. There are a few things, but लेकिन अभी थोड़ा सा focus is on to the environment कि थोड़ा chill environment हो. Everyone wants to enjoy while they are working because everyone is investing their 9 hours, जो बहुत matter करता है. 9 घंटे एक ऑफिस में जाके बैठे, so mentally, emotionally, हर तरफ से आप drain भी होगे. But whenever you face any of the thing into the office, ठीक है, हम कोशिश करते हैं हम वो जो भी हमने ऑफिस में फेस किया है वो हम ऑफिस ही छोड़ के चले जाए, वो घर नहीं जाए. So what we expect कि अगर आपके घर पे कुछ भी पर्सनल लाइफ में भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुई है तो ठीक है, यहाँ पे आने के बाद जस्ट मेक योर मूड हैप्पियर, ठीक है, उस चीज को लेके बर्डन फील नहीं करो. ऑफिस को एक ऐसा जगह बनाओ जहां पे आके दे कैन चिल, दे कैन शेयर एंड दे कैन वर्क एंड दे कैन फील कॉन्फिडेंट एज वेल एज. सो दीज आर द फ्यू चेंजेस जो बहुत एम्प्लॉयज के माइंडसेट में आए हैं, कंपनी ओनर के माइंडसेट में भी आए हैं. So this was the one major change that I have seen so far in my whole journey.
Okay, Abhi, so what are the major hiring challenges you have faced as an HR?
First of all, joining is the major challenge into the whole part of the hiring. When we start interview the candidates, तो वो एक candidate घर पे होता है, ठीक है, तो उसे घर से लेके ऑफिस तक लाना is a very big deal. It includes so many things. Communication हमारा कितना strong है candidate से, because candidate is coming on the basis of trust of the HR initially. उसके बाद उसका trust gain होता है on the company and rest of the things. So first of all, every candidate before joining any of the company, they make sure 100 of times, like there were the times when I talk to the candidates parents as well, क्या ऐसा भी एक टाइम आया जब मैंने पेरेंट्स को कन्विंस किया that yeah, company is a very good and they get very safe and a good environment, because majorly ये relocation वाले part में होता है when candidate relocate to join our company. So there are so many things that includes like first time जब आप candidate से बात करोगे कॉल पे, you need to gain the trust of them, ठीक है. उसके अलावा उनको make sure करना that everything is smooth over here, our company is quite good to go. So आपका जो कंपनी का पोर्टफोलियो होता है, जो कंपनी इमेज होती है, वो हमें वर्बली समझानी है सामने वाले कैंडिडेट्स को, बिकॉज व्हाट दे बिलीव दैट इंस्टाग्राम, लिंक्डइन, ये सब एंड गूगल, वो किसी का भी कोई भी कंपनी अपना अच्छा बना सकती है, बट हाउ दे गेट द ट्रस्ट वो सिर्फ एक कम्युनिकेशन के बेसिस पे ही होता है. सो मेकिंग देम ज्वाइन इज अ वेरी बिग थिंग. उन्हें ज्वाइन करवाना, उन्हें ट्रस्ट गेन करवाना, उनका सैलरी नेगोशिएट करना, दैट इज द वेरी मेजर पार्ट, सैलरी नेगोशिएशन. मेक देम बिलीव दैट जो सैलरी आपको हम दे रहे हैं दैट इज क्वाइट गुड फॉर यू, एंड देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट इंक्लूड्स, बट या मेकिंग देम ज्वाइन इज द वेरी बिग चैलेंज दैट आई फेस्ड इनटू द हायरिंग.
Okay, Abhi, so how was your first day at ITX IT Pro? कोई यादगार लम्हा?
So my first day at ITX IT Pro was quite good. Everyone is welcoming towards me. Team was very welcoming towards me, and the environment is very good. काफी ज्यादा chill environment है. Apart from that, team and as well as the management both are supportive and as well as cooperative. कहीं भी कुछ भी चीज होती है, कुछ नहीं आता है, like you need a help. So everyone is over here कि help करने के लिए everyone is ready over here. And apart from that, another like the major part, everyone is over here ना creative. Employees हो, management हो, कोई भी हो, like XYZ, everyone is so creative. They do have their different ideas too, and they like they are very interested in getting involved in everything. कुछ भी चीज हो रही हो, कोई भी डिपार्टमेंट का शूट है, किसी और डिपार्टमेंट का कुछ मीटिंग है, so everyone is very curious to know that what is going on. So there is a very good interaction within the team. So this interaction makes the place very happier and like the very lively feeling I got from here. So yeah. Apart from that, Vikram sir is very supportive. He actually, push the boundaries. He makes us learn new things. वो हमें हर चीज में involve करवाते हैं कि learn this and that and everything. So वो एक और बहुत बड़ा reason है कि office का माहौल is very good, very chill, and everyone is involved because they feel welcomed with their ideas. So yeah, this was my experience at ITX IT Pro, and that was very good.
On that very relatable note, thank you so much, Abhi, for joining us today. And it was the most fun episode ever.
Thank you so much, Manasvi, for inviting me at Social Buzz Unplugged. Thank you so much.
Talia!